Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be baking black and white cookies from the video game The Sims 4. So let's grab your fork and jump right in.
To kick this off, add your softened butter and white granulated sugar, then cream it together. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit on fan bake. Having creamed it together, add your vanilla essence and egg. Then beat these ingredients together until combined. Wow, it's time for the final ingredients by sifting in the flour and baking powder. Then combine it together, and if they're not combining, just get your hand and use it as a mixing tool. On a baking tray, make medium-sized balls. Then press down with a fork and bake for 15 minutes. Once done, remove from the oven and let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. Then transfer to a cooling rack to finish cooling completely. Onto the tempered chocolate, and you'll need a water bath for this. So, a pot with some water and a bowl which sits on the top above the water. Now, add 2/3 of your chocolate. Make sure it melts and doesn't exceed 50 degrees Celsius or 122 Fahrenheit on your thermometer. Having melted the chocolate, remove it from the heat and in small batches add the remaining unmelted chocolate so it helps cool the melted chocolate. Once the chocolate reaches 28 degrees Celsius or 82 Fahrenheit, put it back on the heat and bring it up to 30/32 degrees Celsius or 86/89 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempering has been completed, so now it's time to coat half your cookie in the chocolatey goodness and let it sit on a baking paper or silicone mat. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make black and white cookies with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.